and Hurley has been a trusted leader for over 77 years, providing the best Kenworth and DAF trucks on the road. We believe that our employees are not just part of the team, they're part of our family. Proudly, over a quarter of our team have been here for longer than 10 years, working across our desirable coastal and regional locations.
Being such a big open company, there's a lot of job security and you're not treated like a number, you're treated as a human and they really care for you. We have a supportive and inclusive work culture where everyone genuinely cares about your success.
Been here for 11 years, still with the company, love it and love the lifestyle.
I don't know of any other company where you can progress from an apprentice through to a dealer principal, where I currently am today, where Brown and Hurley will support you and guide you and train you through every aspect.
Choose Brown and Hurley, where your skills will be appreciated, your growth will be supported, and you'll be part of a community that values your contribution.